everybody, what's up? This is Brandon from 2A Direct, and today we're going to be talking about Hytera Radio Earpieces. All right, now before you choose an earpiece, you want to find out what type of radio connector you have. By the way, if you need help at any time, feel free to give us a call at 888-742-5893, and a specialist will be able to help you out. All right, so if you have a radio handy, look on the front or maybe the side and you might see a model number. If not there, try taking off the battery, and on the back of the radio you'll see a little white sticker and it should say a model number on there. But again, if you don't find it, feel free to give us a call. We'd be glad to help you out. Okay, now let's take a look at your Hytera Radio Earpiece connector options. First, you've got your H1, which is a multi-pin. That's going to work with your PD782 and 702 radios. Next, you've got the H2, which is a multi-pin connector. That's going to work with your PD605, 665, 685 radios, as well as your X1E, X1P, and Z1P radios. Next, you've got your H3 connector. This is a single pin connector, which works with the PD350 and 360 series radios. And last, we have the TC700, which is a 2-pin connector. That's going to work with your TC700, 500, 508, 518, 580, 610, as well as your PD502 and PD562 models. All right, now that you've identified your connector, now let's take a look at your Hytera Radio Earpiece options. Now, starting with the least expensive option, we've got the D-shell earpiece, which is a one-wire kit that fits on the outside of your ear. Next, we've got a G-hook earpiece, which is also a one-wire kit and fits on the outside of your ear as well. These are great for sharing with employees, so you don't have an earbud that fits on the inside of your ear. It's easy to clean and easy to interchange between employees. Next, we've got kind of a step up. It's a 2-wire surveillance kit. Now, the 2-wire surveillance kit is a little bit more discreet. It's also known as a Secret Service style earpiece. So there's a clear coil that comes behind your ear and a memory foam ear tip that fits on the inside of your ear canal. And what's great about the memory foam ear tip is it feels a lot more comfortable for long-term use. And once it's in your ear, it expands, so it blocks out a lot of external noise, so you can hear the radio transmission a lot more clear. Next, we've got the heavy-duty 2-wire surveillance kit, which is the same earpiece. It's just reinforced cabling with Kevlar reinforcement, so it's a little bit more durable. Be sure to click the link in the description to view all your earpiece options for your 2-way radios. You'll notice a left-hand navigation menu to be able to filter by your current radio model. Once you do that, you can narrow your results for the earpieces that work best for you. And if you like this video, found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. If you have any other ideas for any other videos that we should do, feel free to comment below. Thanks a lot.